Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about when refinancing is a terrible idea. Refinancing a mortgage can sound like a smart money move because it may lower your interest rate or reduce your monthly payment. However, it is not always the right decision. In some situations, refinancing can actually cost you more money in the long run instead of saving you money. First, refinancing may be a terrible idea if you do not plan to stay in the home for long. When you refinance, you usually pay closing costs and fees. So, if you move before your monthly savings recover those costs, you may lose money instead of saving it. Next, be careful when the interest rate drop is too small. A slightly lower rate may look attractive, but if the savings are only small, they may not be enough to justify the closing costs. That is why you should always calculate the break-even point before refinancing. At the same time, refinancing may not make sense if you already have a low interest rate. For example, if your current mortgage rate is already very good, replacing it with a new loan may give little benefit. In some cases, the new loan fees can wipe out any small savings. Then, think carefully before extending your loan term. A longer loan term can reduce your monthly payment, but it may increase the total interest you pay over the life of the loan. So, a lower monthly payment does not always mean a cheaper mortgage. After that, avoid cash-out refinancing unless you truly need it for the right reason. Taking cash out of your home equity for vacations, gadgets, or non-essential spending can weaken your financial future. Your home equity is valuable, and using it carelessly can create more debt. Also, refinancing can be a bad idea if your credit score has dropped. A lower credit score may lead to a higher interest rate or difficulty getting approved. So, before refinancing, check your credit and compare whether the new offer is really better than your current loan. In addition, watch out for high fees and closing costs. Refinancing costs often range from around 2% to 5% of the loan amount. If the fees are too high, the refinance may not make financial sense, even if the rate looks lower. Another warning sign is a prepayment penalty. Some loans charge a penalty if you pay off the old loan early. If this penalty is large, it can destroy the savings you expected from refinancing. Moreover, refinancing is usually not the best answer if you still have high-interest debt, such as credit card debt. In that case, focusing on paying down expensive debt may help more than changing your mortgage. Refinancing will not solve the real problem if spending habits and debt pressure are still there. Finally, be very careful about refinancing into a risky loan. Adjustable-rate mortgages, interest-only loans, or very long loan terms can increase your financial risk. A loan that looks cheaper today may become expensive later if the payment changes or the terms are not stable. So, before you refinance, ask yourself a few important questions. Will you stay in the home long enough to break even on the costs? Is the interest rate drop meaningful, such as at least around 0.75% to 1%? Will your monthly payment truly go down, not just the interest rate? Are you keeping or shortening your loan term? Are you refinancing for the right reason? And most importantly, have you calculated total savings versus total costs? The golden rule is simple. Refinance only if the long-term savings are greater than the total costs. Do the math, and do not refinance based on emotion, pressure, or advertisements. Instead, you may consider other options, such as making extra mortgage payments, improving your credit score, building an emergency fund, or waiting until the numbers make more sense. Sometimes the best financial move is not the one that sounds exciting today, but the one that puts you in a stronger position tomorrow. So remember, refinancing is not always the answer. If the numbers do not work in your favor, it can cost you more, not save you more. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.